So here's a video to help explain how to use Inclusive Access to register for MyMathLab. So first, you're going to log into My Courses. You're going to select the course that you wish to enroll in. So Math 0001 is just an example. Click on that course, and then you should see something similar to this, an external tool, Inclusive Access, or Red Shelf could also be used as the name as well. If you click on that, you may have to enable pop-ups depending on the computer that you're on. You're going to see a button, View Course Materials. So you go to the course that you are trying to get into. And as a student, you may have an extra step where you have to agree to some terms. And you also have to acquire code as well. So you do those two things, and you're going to get to a code. You're going to copy that code. And then you're going to go to a new tab and type in mymathlab.com. And you're going to register for MyMathLab. And so no matter whether or not you've had a Pearson account or not, you register as a student. You're going to need three things: your email address, your instructor's course ID, which the instructor will provide either through email or on My Courses or in class, and then the access code, which is what we just copied. Okay, register now. You need a course ID. The instructor will give you that. It's typically the instructor's last name and a 5-digit number. So I'm just going to use this one as an example. And you should see the course that you're enrolled in here when you type in that instructor's course ID. So this is just an example. And so here, if you've already used MyMathLab or a Pearson product before, such as My Psych Lab or My BioLab, you can sign in with that account. If you have never used a Pearson product before, you're going to have to create one. So your email, which you probably should use your student email, is your student ID at mail.lsue.edu, your username, your password, and then you have to agree and create the account at the bottom. Okay. The next page that you're going to see is use the access code, use a credit card or PayPal account, or get temporary access without payment for 14 days. If the access code doesn't work for some reason, you can always select this option to get you into the class without payment for 14 days. So this is only if the access code doesn't work for some reason. But at some point within those 14 days, you need that access code. So I'm going to select access code, and I'm actually going to paste the code that I just copied. You're going to press finish, and you should be enrolled in the class. You can sign out or exit out, and to get back in, you just go to mymathlab.com, and you can sign in here, and you should be able to see your course. And that is it for how to use Inclusive Access built into My Courses to get you access to MyMathLab.